Alright, the new bearings are in. I bought a package of 10. Of course, I only need 6, so put the rest of these away. Back in the original package. That way I don't get them mixed up with the junk bearings. I haven't thrown the junk ones out yet because I have a feeling I can use them for something else. Spacers or whatever, anyway. That turns a lot better. Couple of 10mm wrenches. Hopefully this will loosen up as long as I don't drop the wrench. Pretty rusty though. Good. They don't go back in. Let's see. I think what I'm going to do is turn it on, see where it rides. See what it does. They're not where I want them. Certainly is noisy, isn't it? what it's rubbing on to make all that racket. Okay, so how can I get this adjusted where it belongs? This one's close. I gotta get this one in. How do I do that? Oh, here it is. Okay, I need another wrench. Be right back. Getting a little ahead of myself here. I did loosen this up. This needs to come out just a bit more. Oh, we're touching. I'm going to move you back just a little bit. That's down. That's tightened down. Definitely going to have to do something about that noise. Okay. Let's put the table on. I found it. It was stuck up underneath between this and the table. So it's a carriage bolt with nylon bushing, square bushing, drops down in like so. And rather than try to put it on the table first and have this bolt floating around in there doing things I don't want it to do while I'm trying to put the table on, put this on first. I'll put the table on and secure the bolts. Alright, we're going to clean this table up. I've got a sanding block with old sandpaper. It's pretty dull. Should be good for what I want to do here. And then get it roughed up, roughly cleaned up, and then I'll use some Scotch-Brite to finish it. It could use a little bit more work. I think maybe I'll have some rust remover to put on this, clean it up. But in the meantime, just want to test it, see how everything works. Throw a little furniture polish on this to make the wood slide and preserve it a little bit. I'll clean it all off with acetone or alcohol or something before I put the rust remover on there. And I also have something else I got to do. This came out of the motor. When I say it came out of the motor, it's the motor pulley that I put on the other day for the drive belt. Apparently decided to kick the key out. So, boy, I really got to look at that. I don't like the way that sounds at all. Alright, well, I'm going to do a test cut, just a short piece of wood here. Pretty sure this blade's dull, so no promises. Not too bad for a dull blade. And I'm going to call this done for tonight. I got to pull this off and find out what's going on up there. Something's not right. We'll do that tomorrow. Well, it's not the next day. Still working on it the same day. I don't see where it's making all that noise. All I can think of is it's this. If there's rubber bumper I can put in here or something. Oh, it really rattles. Well, anyway, this is what it is. Go back in. For now, we'll run it. Noise is definitely up here though. It's gotta be this mechanism. Really loud and really annoying. Put the blade back on, close it up. See, this silly thing is going to have to get replaced with a crank handle. Not like that at all. Should just run right back where it was because I haven't changed the setting in the back here. Plugged in? Yes, we are. Boy, it sure does make Okay, enough